Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix this ChatGPT failed to get upload status for /mnt data error. Now, a lot of you gets this error. Now, try this first. Don't ask for a download or link. Instead, instruct use markdown formatting, then just copy the response. Now, some of you might not get this solution right. Now, what you can do is simply simply don't use ChatGPT via Google Chrome. Try downloading it via Microsoft Edge Internet and it downloaded it just fine. That's the case for him. You can try this solution. And lastly, try to make it on the canvas mode. The main web of ChatGPT changed to canvas mode after he logged in, and when using this canvas mode or whatever, you could actually download the generated files. And that's basically it.